Good afternoon. Welcome back to the Experts.com files. I'm Nick Rishwain, and today we're talking about the mattress installation case. Overwhelming votes on LinkedIn and Instagram. This is the case that you guys wanted to hear about. Very weird. I don't know who our audience is. I suspect because it was a mattress injury, you think sex is going to be involved. And I can't promise that, but I want you to know that you're a little odd. So the attorney reaches out to us, representing a plaintiff who's an elderly woman who just bought a Tempur-Pedic mattress, and it wasn't installed correctly. What happened is there was a plastic sheeting on the foundation that the mattress then sits on top of, and there's a rubber on the bottom of the mattress that makes it, non-skid, non-slip kind of rubber. Well, because the plastic sheeting on the foundation wasn't removed, that non-skid rubber didn't work. So I don't know how she hurt herself. Maybe sex was involved. Maybe she jumped on the bed like a wild young person. Or maybe she slipped and fell against the bed and it slid and she breaks her foot. And then she had complicating injuries thereafter, which often happens with older individuals and injuries. Now, this attorney had already had a mechanical engineering expert who was reviewing this, but he was reaching out to Experts.com because what he wanted was a furniture, preferably a mattress expert, somebody knowledgeable about the procedures and the packaging and the delivery and installation of these types of things. That's what we found for him. That is the mattress installation case. I can't believe how many of you wanted to hear about this case. There it is. Talk to you next week.